Hi everyone, this is Glenda Ganzon and welcome to my Nihongo class. And for today's lesson, I'm gonna be teaching you how to use an adjective in constructing a Nihongo sentence. So let's start. Our formula in constructing Nihongo sentence using an adjective will be adjective plus des is equal to it is plus adjective. What does it mean? Let's take for example subarashi, which means wonderful or excellent. If we use this adjective in a sentence, it will be subarashi desu, which means it's wonderful. Adjective plus desu is equal to subarashi desu. In English, it's wonderful. Another example will be the use of shiroi or white. Shiroi is an adjective. We only need to add des with this adjective shiroi to make it shiroi desu, which means in English, it is white or it's white. Once again, shiroi desu, or in English, it's white. Another example is the use of shinchaku, or in English, it means new. All we need to do with this adjective is to add des. Shinchaku desu means it's new or it is new. Once again, let's read this. Shinchaku desu. In English, it's new. Another example is the use of kirena, which means beautiful. All we need to do with this adjective kirena is we need to add des. Kirena desu means it's beautiful in English. Once again, let's read this one. Kirena desu. In English, it's beautiful. Another formula is the use of noun plus wa plus adjective plus des. So I'll repeat, noun plus wa plus adjective plus des. I will be giving you a noun, which means house. All we need to do with is to add wa, and this will be the noun plus wa. Plus we will add an adjective, which is shiroi. Shiroi means white, and des. Wa shiroi desu means the house is white. By the way, we have lots of adjectives here to choose from. I will be reading them one by one. Furoi means old. Atarashi means new. Oki means big. Chisai means small. Akai means red. Oi means blue. Kuroi means black. And shiroi means white. Let's take another example. This time, we will be using bagu or bag as our noun. And this time, we will be adding pronoun kanojo no, which means her in English, plus noun baguwa plus adjective, which is oi and des. By the way, oi means blue. So if we read this, kanojo no baguwa oi desu means her bag is blue. Let's read this once again. Kanojo no baguwa oi desu. In English, her bag is blue. This time, we will have an exercises. And I'll be giving kutsu or shoes as an example to be used in this sentence. You will be translating this sentence in Nihongo using the noun kutsu and big, which is oki. I'll be giving you 5 seconds to translate this sentence in Nihongo. This sentence is, his shoes is big. And your 5 seconds start now. Very good. His shoes is big in Nihongo is, let's try to translate word by word. His in Nihongo is karino. Shoes is kutsu. Of course, from our formula, noun plus wa will be kutsuwa. And oki means big plus the last is des. Kare no kutsu wa oki desu in English is, his shoes is big. Let's read this once again. Kare no kutsu wa oki desu. In English, his shoes is big. Another exercise is the use of desu, which means dress in English. This time, we will also be using old, which is furui in Nihongo. So in this sentence, we will be using desu, which is dress, and furui, which means old. I'll be giving you 5 seconds to translate this statement in Nihongo. This statement is, her dress is old. And your 5 seconds start now. Very good. Let's translate this word by word. Her in Nihongo is kanojo no. Dress is desu wa. Still following our formula. Furoi, which is the adjective, means old. Plus, the last word that we will be adding in this statement is des. So, kare no desu wa furui desu means her dress is old. Let's read this statement once again. Kanojo no desu wa furui desu. In English, her dress is old. Our exercise will be, my book is small. I will be giving you an example, which is hon, that means book in English. And small is chisai in Nihongo. So I'll be giving you 5 seconds to translate this sentence in Nihongo. And this sentence is, my book is small. And your 5 seconds start now. Very good. My book is small. Let's translate this word by word. My is watashi no. And of course, will be written in the beginning of this sentence. Followed by the noun, which is the book, honwa. And followed by the adjective, small, which is chisai. And the last word is des. My book is small in Nihongo is watashi no hon wa chisai desu. Let's read this once again. Watashi no hon wa chisai desu, which means my book is small. Thank you so much for watching this video and for listening to my lesson. And I hope for now you already know how to construct Nihongo sentence using an adjective. And if you have any question, please don't forget to write it in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification button so that you'll be updated with my new videos. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, bye!